Welcome back to the Auto Vibe. Today we're diving into one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes ever imagined, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL. This isn't just a camper van scaled up. It's a rolling palace designed to combine the prestige of Mercedes engineering with the comfort of a modern luxury home. Let's take a closer look at the exterior, the interior, the performance, and of course what you can expect when it comes to pricing. First impressions of the exterior are striking. The Marco Polo XXL doesn't look like a conventional RV. Instead, its body has the clean, monolithic presence of a futuristic yacht on wheels. The entire vehicle is finished in sleek metallic gray, and the lines are seamless, flowing smoothly, from the front all the way to the rear. Up front, you'll notice the bold upright Mercedes grille with its chrome vertical slats and the iconic three-pointed star set proudly in the center. Ultra-slim LED headlights blend perfectly into the fascia, giving the motorhome a sharp modern identity. From the side, the XXL's sheer scale is apparent, stretching over 3 axles with 6 massive wheels that fill the arches. The real showstopper is the panoramic glass canopy that runs along the upper deck. Tinted in an amber hue, it gives the Marco Polo XXL a futuristic glow that feels more like a private jet or a high-end yacht than a road vehicle. Step inside and the sense of luxury only grows stronger. The interior is designed to reflect the elegance of a modern penthouse suite. The warm amber glow from the panoramic glass floods the lounge, where soft leather seating and clean minimalist surfaces dominate the space. The kitchen is compact, but state-of-the-art, with induction cooking, a stainless sink, and a marble effect countertop. Moving to the bedroom, you're greeted by a low-profile bed with integrated LED lighting beneath the frame, soft touch fabrics, and plenty of hidden storage. The bathroom continues the theme of futuristic luxury, with a frameless glass shower, a floating marble vanity, and curved illuminated panels. Every detail has been carefully designed to feel seamless, clean, and ultra-modern. You don't feel like you're in an RV. You feel like you're in a high-end smart home that just happens to move with you. When it comes to performance, Mercedes has kept true to its reputation for engineering excellence. While exact specs haven't been officially released, the Marco Polo XXL is expected to feature a powerful 6-cylinder diesel hybrid setup, tuned for long-distance touring while maintaining efficiency. With the triple-axle design, expect excellent stability even at highway speeds and air suspension that delivers a smooth, composed ride. Mercedes is also expected to offer semi-autonomous driving features, making long road trips less tiring and more enjoyable. Now, let's talk about the price. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. Early estimates place the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL in the range of $650,000 to $750,000, depending on options and customization. That puts it firmly in the ultra-premium category of motorhomes, competing with the likes of Volkner Mobile or high-end Prevost conversions. But what sets the Marco Polo XXL apart is the design language. It looks like the future of luxury travel, packaged with Mercedes refinement and attention to detail. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo XXL isn't just transportation. It's a statement of style, wealth, and innovation. For those who demand the very best in both comfort and presence, this is a motorhome that turns every road into a red carpet.